Greetings, fellow traders. Bubba here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Monday, December the 28th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we left off the market here today. So SPX, woo, fresh all-time high, so up 32 points there today. Ended up being a grinder, right? Actual range of the day, so it was only 17 points, but a lot of it came from the gap, right? So we're thinking this gap up here could be impulsive. The longer it holds, the more validity it has, right? It's a fresh all-time highs right here. You can't say that we didn't say that it was impulsive, right? But let's see if we work its way to the top of the channel and where we go from there. Let's take a look at the SPY. Guys, some really unusually low volume at the open on the S&P futures today. We ended up getting a little more volume than Thursday, which was a half day. So that's a little something right there. But again, very narrow range right there. Let's take a look at the S&P futures just to kind of show you what we're looking at the open. It's pretty amazing. It's like the plunge protection, you would just step in there and do anything today. I mean, there was no volume at the open. I mean, the first candle, volume is only 31,000 contracts, right? We dropped to 19,000 contracts in the next candle. Then we saw like 11,000. I mean, traders are on vacation. I mean, this is just nobody trading in here. This is a breakout candle right here, had like zero volume on it. So it's really tricky to trade the SPY today. We didn't mess with that, but we did see some good action on some of the FANG name stage were really quite powerful. So very nice stuff there. Let's take a look at the MES and see how it's going. Again, still kind of working its way up this megaphone here. So let's see if that continues to hold going into tomorrow. Let's take a look at the Qs. Again, Qs were nice at the open, right? We broke down below that morning channel right there. Worked its way down, and then it came back up and then showed some relative strength throughout the day and gave us some good moves on some of the big FANG names. IWM, guys, sell the news. This thing didn't like it at all today off of the stimulus stuff. It's just like, okay, all-time highs pre-market, and then blah, back down. So a little bit of trickiness out there. XLF. Again, this is just choppy, sloppy all day today. Again, it gave a little bit of a breakout of the O, gave some opportunities, names like JP Morgan, Bank of America, and Goldman Sachs. But just couldn't get any follow-through today. So we had that going on. Let's take a look at Apple and see how that did here today. So Apple's a grinder, right? Ended up working and kind of going up with the B5 today. We took a little long position right here, tried to get it going, and chopped around for a little bit and got some follow-through, so that was nice. Let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla, look at that. We pointed out this triangle earlier today. We're just kind of watching that, and then boom, broke down here into the end of the day. Very nice down move on Tesla there. Again, guys, remember we see on the daily chart right here, we're looking at this A, B, C potential. So let's see how it goes. Again, it's still over the EDMA, but a nice little pullback there at the end of the day on Tesla. So good stuff there. In terms of other stuff that we had on the radar today, definitely. Let me pull up this move right here. Give me 1 second. Okay, good. So NIO, definitely want to keep on the radar there. So baby Tesla, again, a bit of a pullback, a little bit of pullback right there. So definitely want to kind of keep an eye on it right there. SPCE, nasty pullback there, the 50-day moving average to see how that one holds going into tomorrow. PLTR, again, possibly looking on a wave C pullback right there. You know, it's got to hold. Let's see if it held. Let's see. So the low right here, 25.40 today's low. 25.40, so it held it to the tick. Let's see if we can hold those levels right there. If not, we might see some more downside on PLTR. Facebook, again, was an epic breakout candle today. Very nice intraday. Took the compression to expansion right here. Just a very nice move on Facebook, and great move from the bubblereport.com. If you guys aren't members, this was an Algo 382 wave count for this morning. Very nice stuff on that one. And Amazon with a big breakout candle today. Huge volume came in today on Amazon. Just a very nice candle. Similar to this breakout candle, just a little bit bigger, a bit of an upper shadow. Let's see if we can get some follow through going into tomorrow. That would be nice. Other than that, guys, we got a lot of other names that we talked about in the group today. We looked at going into the close. So let's see if we get some follow through on some of the breakout and breakdown names. Just real quick, another one you might want to keep an eye on here going into this week is Costco. So Costco, a nice little breakout candle out of that fallen wedge-ish type pattern right there. And then another one to kind of keep on the radar is Starbucks. Nice breakout candle right there. Let's see if that can get some follow through. So anyway, it was interesting today. Lots of divergences, right? The VIX usually gets perky when we're at all-time highs, and that's exactly what happened today. So that caused a lot of divergences and some sector rotation, some sector strength back into the FANG today. So good stuff. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll catch you guys on the free YouTube live stream later at 7:30. Until then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.